guys, welcome back. Today I will be making a mini Easter album using one 12 by 12 sheet of paper. I'll be using the Bunny Trail by Photoplay, and I'm just going to show you here quickly what the papers look like in this pack. This is an Easter pack that I've had stashed, and I thought, well, I should just make a mini album out of it. So I decided to make a little mini album for a friend, and I took a couple pictures of her baby, and he's such a cutie, and I just couldn't help myself, and I thought, I could probably record myself and just make a tutorial out of this. So that's when I went ahead and did it. So here you have just the pretty papers that comes with the pack, and I decided to use this print. It's got cute bunnies, carrots, and chicks, and on the other side it has some carrots. So first what you want to do is you want to get one sheet of 12 by 12 paper, and then you want to cut off the branding strip, and you want the side that you want to the side, so that it will, when you fold it over, the print's on the right side of your album. And then you want to line it up and cut it at 6 inches. And then you want to take one piece and you want to cut that at 10.5. So then you'll have one sheet at 10.5 by 6. And then you want to save these little leftover pieces. You can use that to decorate your album as well. The second piece, you want to cut at 8 inches. And then you will have an 8 by 6 inch of paper. And you save that piece as well. And then you want to take out a scoreboard. This is my Martha Stewart scoreboard. If you don't have a scoreboard, that's fine. You can just use your paper trimmer and just use something to score your lines. You want to score your 10.5 piece at 4 inches, and then again at 8 inches. And then your 8 by 6 sheet, you want to score at 4 inches. It's pretty simple, guys. It's going to go really fast. So then you just want to line it up, straighten it out, and then varnish at the folds, at the scores, and fold it. Make sure that your pieces are nice and crisp, your folds are nice and crisp. And here I am, just varnishing them. So this piece right here is going to be your cover, your outer cover. And the other piece is just going to be an insert. And so you can have the insert go either way. You can have that print fold over that way, or you can turn it around and use the other side. And here I'm going to make a pocket, and I'm just going to get a circle punch. I used a circle punch here and decided I wanted to punch in a notch. I want to make that a pocket. So you just like center it and just punch it halfway so that you can see that you have a notch in there. And then I just use my glue, and we're going to glue that pocket down to the cover. And you just want to glue the outsides of it. So you want to make sure you don't put too much glue, and you just do the very outside of it. And here I'm just trying to line it up. Make sure that you are not on the fold, but right at the fold, so that your sheet can fold back and forth, like so. And then here I am just using the other sheet that you had left over, and I'm going to cut this diagonally because I'm going to make a pocket out of this. Now it's super easy. I just cut it a little up so that it has a little room for a pocket. And then I just glue the edges. And then line it up. Make sure that you don't put too much glue as well, so that you have room to stuff it with goodies or pictures or, whatever you like to put in it. And here I am just trying to fold everything nicely. So this is the base of your folio album. It's a little mini album, and then we're going to go on and do the closure of the album. You don't necessarily have to do one. You can just tie it around with a ribbon, with seam binding or string, but I'm just going to make a little closure. So I just got the leftover piece of paper and I cut a circle out of it, and I decided to use a brad. I do put a little tape on it on the back just so that it would center and it wouldn't move around. And then I go ahead and pierce the center, and then I just get a little brad and use that as my closure. You can get creative, you can use buttons, you can just tie it, whatever you'd like. It's totally up to you. Then I'm just gonna look what I would like to use as a closure. That ribbon was too thick and I couldn't wrap it around that piece, so I opted for baker's twine, and I just got a couple colors and just use these. These I actually got from the Dollar Tree. You can actually get a bunch of baker's twine. You get 3 in a pack in different colors. It's totally a great buy. So this right here, I'm just trying to make a bow, but I didn't like the way the bow looked, so I decided to just tie it around, and I like the simple tie around. Now here I'm just gonna quickly you're gonna see me decorate this. It goes by pretty fast. I'll just go ahead and let you guys watch, and I'll put a little music so you guys can watch it. And I'll meet you guys at the end. this is my little folio mini album, and I really had lots of fun putting this together for a friend of mine. I really hope she likes it and treasures it. I know baby pictures, they're just so adorable to have because they grow so fast, and then you can always go back and look at these pictures. But yeah, so this is the front of the cover. I just put a little Easter, and on the bottom I just put loads of eggs. I'm going to see if I can add a link to these little word strips that you guys can print off and cut off, and then you could use those for your mini album, or you know, just any embellishments that you would like. I'll see if I can do that. And this inspiration I got from Amber from Lyric Lover. I can't remember if it's crafts, but I'll go ahead and put her link down in the description as well. She does lots of fun mini albums, and I'll just go ahead and put it down there as well. Thank you for joining me. I had lots of fun. I hope you guys get inspired to make your own little mini albums and treasure all your kiddos' pictures, or even for Easter, if you guys want to put one together. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Thanks for stopping by, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!